Want to make GIFs on your iPhone? It's super easy, and you can turn live photos or videos into fun animations to share with friends and family. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to create GIFs on your iPhone using different methods. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Shortcut apps. Tap Gallery, tap Search, type Make. Scroll down, select Create a GIF from a live photos or video. Quick note, if you can't find this feature, try to update your Shortcut app or try to get this from Google search. Now back to topic. Select it, tap Add Shortcut, tap Shortcut from the bottom of left, tap Make GIF, select your photos or video. If this is a video, you need to select a portion of the video. This will take a few seconds. Tap Done. Now open your Photos app. Now you can see your GIF is ready to be used. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and send a super thanks. With these steps, you can easily make GIFs on your iPhone from live photos, videos, or apps. Thanks for watching.